Alright fellas, on today's call we are here to check this under condiment cooler that is not cooling. We have been here last night and there's a leak in somewhere there, but I don't have the access port to put in the back, and the leak is so small we're gonna need to pressurize with nitrogen, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to do it. You see, like, the freezer is not working, temperature is high. We disconnected last night but was the same, and let's work on that. We're gonna pinch these two lines to put this access port so we can work on that, because this is still sealed. We use this tool so we can pinch the lines, so we can cut here and put the access port. What this tool do is like just press the copper line so the gas don't go out when we put it here. The system is open now. We're gonna get this swage tool and open a little bit here so this can fit here, and we'll braze it up. We already brazed the first one, and I forgot to tell you guys can put like a wet rag around here to protect the surround areas and also doesn't hit your tool. And let's braze the second one. And after the two surface port you braze it, you can use the same tool and go to the one quarter here and put around here so you can round the pipe back, or just grab a plier and you can round the pipe back so the gas can go up to here so we can take our measurements. Okay fellas, one advice that I have to you guys: when you work on this small coolers that doesn't have a lot of refrigerant gas, this is probably 8 ounce. I prefer use the wireless gauge, because if you put the regular gauge with the big hose, you can take most of the refrigerant out of the system, and with this it's going to be 0 of loss of refrigerant on the hose. And how do we know this is low in refrigerant? Because like I said, this don't take a lot of refrigerant. It's 8 ounces, and you can see the high pressure here being a negative pressure because the compressor is pulling a vacuum because it doesn't have refrigerant to pull. And also this can be a restricted line, and this is what we are going to figure out. I'm going to recover this refrigerant gas from here, and we are going to check if you have leaks or a restricted line. And look there, boy, look at you. All right fellas, leak is fixed. Now let's pull a vacuum, put everything back together, pull a vacuum, and recharge the system. All right guys, we are under 500 microns and we are going to recharge it right now. All right fellas, we recharged it here with 8 ounces as the label said, and we are cooling down. We are done here.